This is Drawcto, a co-creative AI drawing partner that can draw collaborative, non-representational art with you. Here are a few examples of non-representational art. Non-representational art usually doesn't have a known object or thing that the artwork is trying to depict. For non-representational art, also known as non-objective art, the artist only uses visual design elements like form, shape, color, line, etc. to express themselves. For Drawcto, we focus on non-representational line art. This is the user interface of the Drawcto. A user can specify their name right here. Click on the pencil and clear button to draw and erase the strokes. The user has to put the pencil back to signal the end of the turn. You can use the canvas to draw strokes. And after the user draws, the selected agent will provide an explanation on the generated strokes in this dialog box. Lastly, the user can click on the arrow to switch between agents. Drawcto currently has 6 agents in total: the rule-based agent, SketchRNN artist agent, SketchRNN quick draw agent, the GAN agent, shape grammar agent, and style transfer agent. So let's get into them. Let's talk about the rule-based agent. This agent uses OpenCV library to extract stroke features like the number of contours, center of mass, white space, and more, and use these features to traverse a decision tree of hand-authored stroke rules. Some of the rules are shape enclosure, shape replication, shape completion, and more. Next, let's talk about the SketchRNN artist agent. This agent is based on Google's SketchRNN model that we trained on our custom dataset of non-representational artworks. Based on the input strokes, this agent sometimes can refuse to draw. Now let's talk about the SketchRNN quick draw agent. For this agent, we make use of the ML5JS library. The RNN model is trained on the quick draw dataset, and this agent extends or continues your last drawn stroke. The next agent here is the GAN agent. We train a generative adversarial network to draw strokes based on the user's input. Specifically, the generative model takes the current canvas as input to produce additions. This GAN was trained using 20,000 images of non-objective art with the PyTorch framework over 5 epochs. Next is a shape grammar agent. There are 5 shape rules that instruct this agent in generating the stroke. Based on the interaction that the user's stroke is creating with the canvas and previous strokes, which rule to apply will be decided. Next is the style transfer agent. By switching into the style transfer agent, the user would be able to transfer the current drawing on the canvas into a certain Monet style. And in this video demonstration, we will use Monet style as the example. Instead of presenting the transferring outcome in another place, we made it directly overlapping the original drawing on the canvas. The benefit of doing this is to create a seamless experience for the user to see from the line drawing to the filtered piece with the specific art style. And they can easily go back to the drawing and continue the drawing journey by switching back to the other drawing agents. In this way, they can play with the style transfer at any time during the drawing process. We can use multiple agents on each turn within the same drawing. As you can see, we can switch between the agents as you draw to produce strokes from multiple agents. Thank you for watching.